In this video, I'll show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's go and jump straight into this guide. This guide is going to work on all different types of mobile devices, iOS, Android, they're all going to work. So the first thing you need to do is close off the Roblox app, just like so. Then what you need to do is go and open up another browser. Because I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go and use Safari, but you can use any browser you would like. Then once you're on a browser, what we need to do is go to roblox.com, so go and type that in now. So I've now gone and typed in roblox.com, so I'm going to go and tap on go. Then once it's loaded, what's really important is it's going to go and ask you to go and continue in the app, but because we can't do this in the app, what you need to do is go and press continue in browser at the bottom of the screen, just like so, and wait for it to load. And then once you're on Roblox, what I recommend doing is making sure you've gone and requested the desktop site. To do that on an iOS device, all you need to do is go and press those two A's in the bottom left or the top left depending, and then go and press request desktop site, and you can do the exact same on an Android device. All you need to do is tap on three dots, I believe in the top right, and there's going to be a list. You can scroll down there and then go and tap on request desktop site. You don't necessarily have to, but it does help, I find. Then once you're on this page here, what you need to do is go and tap on create at the top like so. Now, when you go and tap the create button, there's a few different variables which may happen or different pages you may get taken to. Basically, Roblox have recently gone and updated it, so this is the new page, the Roblox creator page. However, not all accounts are going to be taken here. You may go and get taken to a page which looks something like this, which I've already made a guide on. I'll put a screenshot on what it may look like. If it looks like this, then you can go and use the guide I've previously created. However, if it goes and looks like how mine does on my phone at the moment, the updated version, then you can use this guide here. So what you want to do is make sure experience is selected and scroll down, and every Roblox player by default is going to have a place created with their name in, just like I have. This is just a complete default thing. Then what you need to do is tap on it just like so. Just tap on the picture. You may have to tap it twice if it doesn't take you there. Then here we are. Then what you need to do is go and tap on those three bars stacked in the top left, just like so. Then go down to this section called details, and you need to go and tap on associated items, just like so. And then you'll need to go and select passes, just like this. Now when you go and tap on passes, it's pretty likely that you're going to have nothing here unless you've created one before. I've already made a few, so I've got a few here. Yours are probably going to look empty. But what you need to do is go and tap on create a pass, just like so, and then it's going to take a moment to load, and here we are. So we can now go and create this game pass, which we can then go and add into Please Donate, so we can go and get donations. So the first thing you'll need to do is go and upload an image. This can be anything, just make sure that it falls within Roblox rules. So it could be like a logo or anything you've designed or a picture, literally anything. A few different options you can go and choose from. So in my case, I just took a random photo like so. So I'll press use photo. Then you can go and name this. So I'm just going to go and name this like epic pass. Essentially, people are going to be able to go and see the picture, the name, and the description, because when they go and purchase it or donate to you, I should say, it's then going to be added to their game passes. So make sure it's something that you wouldn't mind people seeing. So I'm just going to go and type in epic pass and then go and put thank you in the description. But as I said before, it's completely up to you. Then once you've added all that, you can then go and press create pass like so, and it's now going to be circling, and it should go and create it. Now, after it's gone and created it, this isn't everything we need to do. It's actually another step. And then after you've tapped on create pass, you'll be automatically taken back to the associated items page. For some reason, it did take sort of 10-20 seconds for this to happen, so don't worry if it takes a bit of time. Now, we haven't quite actually finished things, because as you can see at the moment, it currently says off sale, and we need to go and put it on sale in order for it to be appearing on Please Donate. So go and tap on it just like this, and then it will take a moment to load. And then once you're on the basic settings page, then what you need to do is go over to the left and tap on those three stacked vertical bars just up here like so. Then go and tap on sales, and it'll take a moment to load. And what you need to do is go and switch on item for sale like so, and then we need to go and set the price, and the price is going to be how much people go and donate. So if I wanted to go and get, say, a 10 Robux donation, type in 10. And it's important to note you're going to go and lose 30% due to Roblox, and you're going to keep 70%, so I'll keep 7 Robux out of those 10. So I'm then going to go and tap on save changes again, like so, and it's then going to go and say pass updated successfully. And that's literally everything. So now I'm going to go and head back into Please Donate and go and show you the pass. Now here we are back on Please Donate. So let's go and claim a stand. So run up to it and then go and press on claim like so. And then as you can see, we've got all these passes here. And if I then scroll along the passes, as you can see this one here, the epic pass I just created, as I just called it that. And that's literally it, guys. You can now go and get donations. If you found this useful, please leave a like. Peace.